Hi, zdravey, which is Bulgarian for hello, and dober večer, good afternoon from not so sunny Levka. And I'm out with Marley, so I thought I'd just do you a very quick video. We are right now standing up at the top of the field above our land. So this line of trees you see here in front of you, that's where our land ends. What's going to be the camping field is just the other side of those trees. And so if you come up there and come out of there and you come up here, this is what you see. And this is looking across the village. I've heard the name of it, but I don't know it yet. But it's a very interesting place with standing stones we've not been up to yet. I need to find out the history of that. And what I wanted to do is just show you the view of what you get here. You see that although we're in the village, we're right on the outside. And this is a big field up here, up at the top. Come on, Marley. Marley wants to go in another direction. Come on. She thinks we're going home. And you see there, see Iggy down there. So that's the bottom of our, well, part way up our property down there where Iggy is. And it's just a grass road, but we're going to get that some gravel, stone, something, you know, and make it solid for vans driving up. But so you come up and this just looks out. We're in the foothills of the Sakar mountain here. It's a special ecological area with lots of hawks. The bird life is amazing, you know. It's like you standing washing dishes and there's a woodpecker on the tree outside your window and stuff. So this, you just come up the path, there's our camping field, and this is what's all around you. And it's just these beautiful hills. So the grey today, I'll do the other ones in the sunshine. It changes all the time, it just constantly changes, and that's all farmland down there. Where there's cows and electric fences, so there's lots of animals grazing around, so dogs need to be kept on leads. But wonderful walks everywhere, as you can see, just beautiful countryside. And over that way, on a clear day, you can just see the Rhodops. You probably can't see them just now, the Rhodop mountain range over there. Rhodope rather than Rhodope, and that's it. So I just thought you'd like to see what it'd be like if you come to visit our little campsite in Levka. Then this is what your surroundings are. But 15-minute drive from here, out along the road that goes out that way, down that way is our town Svilengrad, which is a really nice little town. And just a couple of minutes beyond that is the Greek border, and another couple of minutes and you're at the Turkish border. So beautiful countryside, nights out in town with nice restaurants for dinner and casinos, and day trips to Turkey, leaving your van here if you want to. So that's us. So catch you all later. Bye.